Hi, my name's John, welcome back to the channel. Today we are removing the centre stand and building a paddock stand for the bike. Let's get on with it. First up is to remove the centre stand. It has a bolt on each side that covers the larger Allen bolt. These two Allen bolts are joined together in the middle and also held together with some rubber O-rings. Next I cut up some 40 by 2mm square tubing to make the new stand. My first plan was to make the stand that lifts the bike from the bottom of the front forks, as you can see here. I tacked it all together along with some angle on the top to better hold the forks. While this would lift the bike, it was quite awkward to use and wasn't very stable once the bike was on it. So I cut it up and re-welded it into design 2, which you can see here. This would pick up the bike in the same location as the centre stand in a very similar way to the centre stand, with a piece of threaded rod running underneath the bike and a V-notch to help stabilise the bike. After taking it to the bike, I realised that I've welded the handle to the wrong side. I really wanted the handle to be on the same side as the side stand. It was necessary to widen the holes to allow the M12 threaded rod to pass through more easily. I used the wiggly drill method to do this. Time to test the stand. Now for full welds. Finish off my welds, a lot of grinding. And finally a thick coat of paint. I'm running out of paint, so this is covered with some bed liner that I had left over from a very old project many years ago.
Thanks for watching. Please remember to subscribe. If you liked the video, hit a thumbs up. If you didn't, you know what to do. Comment down below, and next time we're modifying the seats, and take care of yourselves.